If your mom needs a reset, this is the gift for her. I put together a mom reset basket using simple items and it turned out so nice. I started with this floral base and added some everyday essentials, some body wash, lotion, hand soap. Added in some skincare as well. Then I included a Best Mom Ever mug. I kept everything in this theme green to give it that calm, peaceful vibe. Would your mom actually use this, or would she just display it? This is perfect for Mother's Day, especially if you're looking for something that won't break the bank. Simple, useful, and still really pretty. Rate this from 1 to 10 in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow for more.